Your pain was not pointless. I know it hurt. I know it took something out of you. I know there were nights you did not have words for what you felt. You smiled in public and bled in private. You kept moving while something in you was breaking. And the question you carried was, God, why? Why did it happen like that? Why did it cut that deep? Why did I have to feel that much pain? But hear me, just because it hurt you does not mean it had no purpose. Just because it broke your heart does not mean it broke your future. Some things did not come to destroy you. Some things came to develop you. That pain forced you to grow. That pain forced you to pray. That pain forced you to see what people really were. That pain forced you to stop leaning on what could not hold you. And even though you would have never chosen it, God knew how to use it. He used that lonely season. He used that betrayal. He used that disappointment. He used that closed door. He used that heartbreak. He used the thing that made you cry yourself to sleep. Not because it was fair, not because it felt good, not because you deserved it, but because God is so powerful that He can pull purpose out of what tried to crush you. Look at you. You are still here, still breathing, still believing, still standing after everything that tried to take you out. You may have cried, you may have bent, you may have felt weak, but you did not break. And what you thought was the end was really the making of a stronger you. So stop calling that season wasted. Stop calling that pain meaningless. Stop acting like God lost control just because your life got heavy. Your pain was real, but it was not pointless. It was building depth. It was building discernment. It was building strength. It was building the version of you that could carry more, see clearer, pray deeper, and rise stronger. What hurt you did not cancel you. What shook you did not finish you. And what tried to bury you will become the ground you rise from. Your pain was not pointless. God is going to use it, and you are going to come out with power.